In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Payoneer account to your eBay seller account seamlessly. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or you're doing it again, it's essential to make sure everything is in perfect order for smooth transactions. Let's begin by setting up or logging in to your Payoneer account. First, open your preferred web browser and type payoneer.com in the address bar. Once the website loads, if you already have an account, simply click on the login button and enter your credentials. If you're new to Payoneer, you'll need to sign up. Click on the sign up option and follow the prompts, a process that is intuitive and straightforward. Once your account is ready, either way, you'll be all set to proceed to the next steps. Now that you have your Payoneer account squared away, let's shift our focus to eBay. Open a new tab and go to ebay.com. Here, you'll need to log into your seller account. Make sure you have your username and password at the ready. Once you've successfully logged in, we're going to navigate to your payment settings. Look for your profile icon. It's typically in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Account Settings. Within that section, locate either Payments or Payment Preferences. This is where you'll manage how you receive your hard-earned funds from eBay. Now that you're in the Payments section, we need to select Payoneer as your payment method. Look for an option to connect a payment service. This is usually straightforward but might be slightly different based on your region or recent updates to the eBay interface. Upon finding it, there should be a list of available payment providers. Here you'll select Payoneer. Once selected, you're prompted to link your Payoneer account, and this is where you'll be redirected to Payoneer's official login page. On this page, enter your Payoneer login information again as if you were signing into a service and authorize eBay to access your Payoneer account. This step is crucial because it's how eBay securely knows where to send your payouts. Once you've authorized the connection, you're nearly done. Now, return to eBay, and the changes should reflect there. Finally, take a moment to confirm the connection between the two accounts. It's essential to double-check your payment information to ensure everything is accurate. Errors in this section can delay receiving money, or worse, send it to the wrong account. That's it. Now your Payoneer account is linked to your eBay seller account, and you're ready to receive your funds securely and efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your online selling experience.